Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And in today's vlog, we're going to unbox a one-of-a-kind Jordan 5, a brand new pair of Adidas kicks that I bought for my wife in Commonwealth, and a brand new smartphone from Realme. Excited? I am. Let's go. Let's start with the pair of kicks that I bought for my wife. So this one was on almost 50% sale. So this is a brand new Stan Smith in a nice white and pink color. Oh, diba? So very simple, very understated. Original price was $4,800. I got this for a little less than $3,000 with the sale over at Commonwealth. So actually, my wife and I were talking about different shades of pink. Apparently, this is her favorite color of pink. Syempre, ako in my head, when you say pink, they all look alike, no? But yeah, so this one's pretty nice. So you have it to some sort of like suede, the back with the Stan Smith, and then you have some sort of like texture for the upper. If you ask me, it's not a bad deal considering the price, no? $2,800 for a brand new pair of Stan Smiths. Not bad. Great value for money. Shout out to Commonwealth and to everybody in Commonwealth over at Greenbelt. Okay, now this next pair of sneakers, which is our main event for the day, is a very special one-of-a-kind pair. Why? Not because it is Supreme, but because what it stands for and the story behind it. Now, a couple of days ago, I saw an article on Esquire Philippines showing or telling the story of a frontliner here in the Philippines who is currently confined, and he actually lost his father to I think to COVID-19 as well, and his medical bills have been piling up. He actually had like a really gracious sponsor who donated a couple of sneakers that he could sell in auction. So he started an auction, a link down below to his Facebook page, and this was one of the sneakers that he was selling to raise funds to pay for his medical bills. Now, I've always wanted this pair, but in my size, because I want to wear it. But unfortunately, this is not my size. This is size 9.5. This is the Supreme Jordan 5 in the camo colorway. So in that nice brown color. One of the first implementations of camo for Jordan brand, actually. So shout out to Supreme for being able to pull that off. So we'll quickly unbox it. So if at the top you see over here the Jumpman logo with the Supreme branding, dust all over it, saying that the shoe is kind of old. You have the print that you usually find in Jordan 5 boxes, details of the shoe, and then you pop the box open. But man, it really looks good. I really like the shoe. Oh man, I think I will make it a mission to buy it in size maybe 12.5 to 13 before the year ends. I'll sell a couple of my other sneakers and buy it. I'm a huge fan of the Jordan 5. If I were to rank like my favorite Jordans, Jordan 3 would be number 1. The Jordan 5 would be number 2. And number 3 would be the Jordan 11, and all the other Jordans follow after. So if we take a closer look, wow, it looks really good. Man, take a look at that. And take a look at the hang tag. You also have the Supreme branding with the Jumpman logo. So allow me to go over some of the details that you guys might find interesting. So if you see here 94, usually it says there 23 embroidered with Jordan 5s. 1994 was the year that Supreme was actually founded, if I'm not mistaken. You have the Jumpman logo over here, which is also made out of reflective material. You have that same Jumpman logo here at the back, which just looks really dope and kick-ass. If you take a look at the lace guard, the one in red has the Supreme branding. And then you also have like the red teeth over here, which is a callback or a shout out, I guess, to the original fire red Jordan 5s, because that's the teeth that they use for the J5 OG. By the way, quick story, apparently from what I've read with the interviews of Tinker Hatfield, the guy who designed the original Jordan 5, this shoe was inspired by fighter jet planes. So that's why previous jet planes, I think in World War II or something, had this kind of design on it, and that was the inspiration behind the design of the Jordan 5. Now, other design elements that you might find interesting, if you take a look at the back of the tongue, it actually says over there your Supreme branding and Air Jordan in red. Really nice added touch. Of course, ang makita lang yan ikaw. And then if you take a look at the outsole, you also have over here the Jumpman logo, the Supreme logo, and you have Jordan brand written on the black part of the shoe. So overall, man, this is such a really nice sneaker. Love the color too. You guys know that apart from loving white sneakers, I'm a huge fan of brown sneakers, specifically brown suede. Well, this one is not suede, but it still looks kick-ass, man. I would really want to have a size 12.5 to 13 of this shoe and add it to my, well, sneaker collection. Ganda! So anyway, so this is the Jordan 5, one of a kind. Bought it to help out, not my size. I'm still thinking of what to do with it. Maybe I'll put it in one of the mystery boxes in the future. Who knows? I'll let you guys know if ever that happens. But hey, if you guys want to support our frontliner who's doing the auction, I'll link down below to his Facebook page where he is constantly listing sneakers that was donated to him. And he's currently auctioning them off to be able to raise funds. I think he has a bunch of Yeezy, so if you are an Adidas Yeezy fan, you might wanna, check out what he has to offer. And if you're feeling generous, pay over resale, just because at least it's helping a guy out, a frontliner out, one of our modern day heroes. So that's the next sneaker that I wanted to unbox, the Jordan 5 Supreme. Man, the dust from the box of the Jordan 5, whew, it's triggering my allergic rhinitis. But anyway, so the last thing that I wanted to unbox for you guys, which is one of our main events for today, of course, is the brand new Realme 7, which was recently announced. And if you guys want to see like a more in-depth review, just search for it on YouTube. A bunch of YouTubers have been talking about it already. Now, the great thing about this phone is that if you take a look at the Indian pricing, it sells for a little less than 10,000 pesos for the entry-level model. So hopefully, we will be priced around that level when it launches in the Philippines. But this is a pretty interesting phone for several reasons. Number one, it uses the new Helio G95 gaming processor. So if you want a gaming entry-level phone in the 10,000 price range, another phone that you might want to consider is this one. Apart from the gaming processor, it also has a quad camera using the Sony sensors and Sony lenses. So 64 megapixel quad camera setup. And then if you take a look at the battery, it has a 5,000 millihour battery, which has the special super dark charge of Realme, which is their super mega fast charging solution. And you can already tell that it is crazy fast because of that chunky power brick that comes in the phone. So let's just take a closer look at the smartphone. So again, this one is one of the latest offerings of Realme that will be launching in the Philippines very soon. You know, if there's one thing that Realme does amazingly well, is that they know how to make their smartphones look so much more expensive than what they cost. So they do it a lot with how they do the back of the device. I've seen it with the 6 series, especially with the 6 Pro and their more higher end phones, man. Even their affordable phones, the C series, they play around with the texture and the colors of the back, and it just gives it a much more premium look. I mean, take a look at how the color dances on the back, right? That gives it the impression that it is expensive. So kudos to the design team of Realme for thinking things like this through. So yeah, guys, this should be coming out really soon. I'll probably do like a more comprehensive review than what I'm doing now because I'm just unboxing it and I just want to show it to you guys today. But yeah, the Realme 7. If you want to know more about it, please do follow Realme Philippines on their Facebook page so that when the official announcement comes on availability as well as pricing, you will be the first to find out. And before we end this video, let me just remind you, we are giving away Uniqlo Airism face masks. I will be drawing the winner tomorrow. So it is a Saturday. I'll be publishing the vlog, announcing the winners on a Sunday. So if you haven't joined yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and then watch my Uniqlo Airism face mask review video. I'll link it down below because the full mechanics of the giveaway can be found there. I'm giving away 3 face masks, so higher chance for you guys to win. So make sure that you guys check it out. And with that said, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and pagpasensya nyo na itsura ko, kakagising ko lang. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.